Person asks that what is dark? What is dark here? There is no light. For 200 years, there is no light.
Person asks.
Yeah. What is dark?
What is dark?
Dark is a dark now.
My dear,
Brenda.
dark na dark. Oh.
Brenda Nightmare.
If you don't see the dark.
Even your name self na Nightmare. So, good evening. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Hi, hi. How are you? Thank you for joining. Good evening. Where are you watching from? Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Can you give me shout out? Shout out. Thank you for joining. Are you a content creator? Kindly make sure, please, make sure you like the live video. Shout out to you. If you're a content creator, please watch the video which I uploaded before. Drop in the comment section that said, I'm not going to give up. Then I will follow you in the morning. Yeah, safe. Promote yourself now. Hey, relax. Hey, relax. How are you? Please, if you're new, make sure you give a video. In the next video, give me a shout out. Okay, you need to leave. Watch the video which I just dropped 4 hours ago. Then you leave the comment in the comment section there. Then I will know what to shout out for. Bye. Thank you. Please give a thumbs up before you go. Subscribe before you go. All right? You killer.
The situation of Nigeria. Oh.
Hey, you don't touch you by this time.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's painful.
Sorry.
Thank you. It's heartbroken. People are just. The other day, video surfaced. A woman was passing. Couldn't bear it.
Things are happening, by the
was
way.
Passing. She saw where for market on the road, this road market. They don't sell finish. All the whole dirty get away there for ground.
Yeah, I think I saw that also, by the way.
Dirty.
He was picking tomato. A tomato.
I tell you,
Then someone captured the woman. You see, in this life, there are some people who are praying for their daily meal, while other people are praying for their health.
They think pain me.
Yeah, it's true.
They pain me like they pain too much.
I understand.
I said, God, what kind of thing is this? Now, this one now rice.
No rice.
Rice. Container full.
This one said, yeah, sure, that is definitely. I am trying to get good at YouTube. Okay, okay, that's so good then. So that means you're upcomer. Just keep uploading video, okay? Don't give up. Keep pushing, okay? It's very important. You can watch other video there. You can see how it goes. What is the time and the place you are watching? Let me know. Are you still there or you have already gone? Let me know, please, so I can mute myself. Welcome. Tomorrow they will bring that thing and go do video tomorrow. They go bring this thing left. Tomorrow morning, they said they go bring waterproof. Is it waterproof or soundproof? Soundproof.
Okay, soundproof. They are most welcome. We are waiting.
Very much waiting.
We are here live.
Live and direct.
Not this small. This guy